So what's up guys, welcome to another fantastic video. So in today's video we are going to look at how to make money from Payoneer Arbitrage. So if you are been following me on this channel, you know that I do arbitrage. So I want to show you today how you can make money with this awesome platform known as Payoneer Arbitrage. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to have a Payoneer account, and you need to have ways by which you can source for Payoneer funds, and you need to now also have accounts where you can send this money to for you to make profit. So I'm going to show you exactly how everything works if you stick around watching this video. So the first thing you need to do, like I said, you need to have a Payoneer account that works perfectly. So you need to create a Payoneer account. Now once you've done that, then you need to also create this account, geekpay.africa. So make sure to go to this website, geekpay.africa, and set up your geekpay account. So once you've set up your geekpay account, you are going to be requesting for, let me go to this account section and show you. So for my case, you see I have all the accounts. You're going to be requesting for a USD account. You're going to give you a USD bank account, Euros bank account, and GBP bank account. So you need these three accounts. So the other account you need to have as well, you can have either of them. You can have either GeekPay or Grail, okay, but you can decide to have the two of them. So whichever one you have will actually work for this arbitrage. So go set up a Grail account and go to this account and balance, then also request for your various bank accounts. So request for a GBP account, Euros, and USD account. So same thing with Payoneer. You're going to be giving USD account, Euros, and GBP account. So this is how it works. So now once you have all these accounts set up, then the next thing is to link this account to your Payoneer account. So for example, this is my GeekPay account. So if I go to Payoneer now and go to this account, let me say I go to withdraw and transfer and go to manage bank account, you're going to see that I've added various bank accounts to this Payoneer account. So I've added my Clear Junction account. This one is coming from Grail. This is Grail GBP account. As you can see, it's ending with 87, and yeah, 87, okay, 67. Okay, I need to change it. Okay, this was the old account, Grail, because Grail recently changed their bank account. As you can see here, it said new, so they recently changed their bank account. So I need to update that as well. Okay, so yeah, so once you've added you need to add this Grail bank account to your Payoneer account. So once you've added them with all this information, the banking, the account name, account number, the currency, the source code, or whatever they ask for, you put it here and save. Then next thing you can also do is decide to link your GBP account from GeekPay as well. So as you can see here, I've linked my GBP account from GeekPay, so it's ending with 666. If you come over here, you see that this one also has 666 as the ending. So this is my GBP account from GeekPay. I've linked it to my Payoneer account. So one other account here is just my domiciliary account. Okay, so now once you've linked these things up, then the next thing is to source for Payoneer funds. Now how do I get Payoneer funds? I get Payoneer funds from different sources. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so for example, if I go back to my home section now, I get Payoneer funds from, as you can see, Propeller Ads, Fiverr, and I also get Payoneer funds from PayPal. I also get Payoneer funds from various people that send me Payoneer funds. Okay, so I'm going to make a separate video showing you how to get those Payoneer funds. But like I said, if you want to know how to get Payoneer funds from Propeller Ads, then you need to watch my other video where I showed you how to make money using money tag. Okay, so yeah, so if you want to make money, get Payoneer funds, you can also get Payoneer funds from various people on your WhatsApp, or you can also run Google ads or Facebook ads showing your businesses, showcasing yourself that you buy Payoneer funds at so and so rates. Now first thing I need to show you is the rate at which these people exchange money. Now for example, you know that you can also withdraw this money directly from Payoneer into your bank account, but the rate at which you'll be withdrawing it is very poor. So for example, let's say I want to withdraw this money into my Nigerian bank account. Payoneer are going to be giving me $1 for 410 naira, which is way poor compared to what I'm going to show you right now. So if you come over to this geekpay.africa, if I go to dashboard, you're going to see that they change $1 here for 721 naira, and £1 for 860 naira, €1 for 757 naira. So these are black market rates. But for Payoneer, they deal with bank rates, as you can see. So that is not good for arbitrage business. So that's why you want to link all this bank up to Payoneer, so you can transfer this money from your Payoneer account to these various banks accounts. So if you come over to Grail as well, if you go to home section right now and scroll down, you're going to see that $1 here is going for $1 727 naira, and let's say £1, 1 GBP is going for 880 naira. So amazing. And this is something I've done a lot of transactions here, as you can see. These are the transactions I've done lately, so there are a lot of them. And if you go to Geekpay, I've also done a lot of transactions, so I'm not new to all these platforms. This is something that I've actually done and profited heavily from, and that is why I am sharing it. So you want to move your funds from here. So for example, let's say I want to move this $317 right now. I'll just click on withdraw now, and I'll send it to one of my GBP accounts. So I'll just say USD to Clear Junction. So I want to send it to the one from, let's say I want to send it to one from Geekpay, since I've not updated my new Grail bank account to my Payoneer. So let me send it to Geekpay. So I know that Geekpay ends with 666. So just select the amount, just say everything, and I'm going to be getting £260. Okay, so after all the Payoneer charges and everything, I'm going to be getting £260.88. Okay, so let me pull up a calculator and let's do simple mathematics right here and see exactly what we are going to be getting. So for example, I'm going to be getting £260. Okay, so let's say 260 right now times how much is a pound in Geekpay. Let me go and check. So a pound in Geekpay is 860. So 260 times 860, that is that's going to give us 223,600 naira. So this is the amount I'm going to be getting if I transfer this money to Geekpay right now. Let's say for example, if I had used with Payoneer to withdraw the money. So remember, the money is $317. So if I use Payoneer to withdraw the money, they are going to be giving me this for 410 naira. Okay, so that is 129,000. So a difference of from 223 to 129. Look at it's massive. It's over 50,000 naira difference, and you don't want to lose such money. I mean, you want to make money, not lose money. Okay, so now you can buy these Payoneer funds from people at the rate of 500, 600. You can buy 600, 650 and still make profit. Okay, so this is something huge. Okay, so to get Payoneer funds, like I told you, you can either be working for various platforms like I do. You can as well be getting your funds from various platforms like I do, like Fiverr, Propeller ads and different things, or you can as well buy from people as well, people that have Payoneer funds, people that work on all this platform but they want to withdraw their money to Payoneer, they don't know how. You can buy from them. Now where will you see such people? You can see such people on your WhatsApp, you can see such people on Facebook, you can see such people on Naira Land. If you go to Naira Land, okay, let me just go to nairaland.com. let me go to Naira Land. Okay, if you go to Naira Land, that is a forum where you find a lot of people who they interact with themselves. Okay, so you can get such information right here on Naira Land. So since you're on Naira Land here, you can search for various things like Payoneer funds. You see people that want to buy Payoneer funds, okay, or people that want to sell Payoneer funds. So let's go to Payoneer funds right now. So click on search. Is actually going to search and give us the result. As you can see, do you have Payoneer funds from balance for sale? I accept. You see, various people like you and I are doing this stuff. So as you can see here, so you can as well join these people, because if this thing doesn't actually work, this such number of people won't be here. So it actually works. But I must warn you, be careful, because you don't want to lose your hard-earned money. People are out there to scam as well. So you have to be very careful. This is a disclaimer, okay, because I've been scammed myself and I know how it feels. So make sure you are very careful with dealing with people. You can also get this funds from Facebook. If you go to Facebook, join different groups of freelancers that want to sell their funds, you can get it. You can also do this from Payoneer, from PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can link your Payoneer to it and withdraw from your PayPal to your Payoneer, then send it to one of these things to withdraw. Okay, so these are the ways I get my Payoneer funds, and I make money with it by transferring it to all these banks and withdrawing it straight to my Nigerian account and have my profits that way. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see how everything is done, if you want me to do live proof and everything for you, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on the channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. So for now, I want you to stay active, keep winning, and keep making money for yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on my next video.